Hello, welcome back to Python tutorial from scratch. In this video we will learn about lists. Lists are mutable values, can be added, removed or altered. Let us see how to create the list. If we want to assign elements of the list to variable, we can unpack the list. To unpack list, number of variables and number of elements in the list should be equal, else it will throw an error. We can access the elements of the list using indices. When we want to have a specific items from the list, we can use slicing techniques. Updating of a list can be done using list indices. We can delete specific elements from the tuple using del keyword. Addition of two lists can be done using AND operator, which adds elements from both the list into one. We can repeat the items in the list using asterisk operator. Thank you. See you in next video. Do like, share and subscribe.